Hey guys, like here, the sauna is finally done. Took longer than expected, but I feel like because I have more time, I invested more into it and made it even better. I'm gonna put links to all the build videos below with a breakdown of what's what. So whatever you need, you can look up easily in this video. Just check the description below. I'll put any useful links. If you have questions, obviously comment below. But right now, let me just give you guys a whole close-up walkthrough, show you how everything looks and functions, and then I'll do a follow-up video on how to break it in, get the first fires going and all that. I'll show you guys some action shots of it in use. Let's do it. So if you've been following this build, you've seen most of this done piece by piece here and there, but now here's the final product. So we do still have to stain all the outside, at least the coat or two, because the one coat I did is already kind of fading, so we're gonna get that done. I got these solar power lights done. It looks awesome at night. I'll put a picture at the end of this video to show how it looks at night. A little swing to hang out on when you want to cool off. 20 bucks on Amazon, can't beat that. Put out some planters here. I'm gonna plant something just to give us more privacy. Got our ice bath set up with the whole chiller set up for the summer. It's working great. I did a whole video on that, so I'll put a link to it. It cools the water into the 40s, which is plenty for every morning plunge. At some point, we'll do a whole box build on that as well. We got our electrical done here for the outside. Awesome lamp with the Edison LED bulbs. Covered up the wiring like this. I have all that in my previous videos. Got this bench from the extra wood set up. I might stain that as well, just to give it more water protection, but the top is cedar. Now staying on the outside, oh yeah, we also have the storm brackets, you could call them. These are the decorative type for the outside rafters. Installed them as well. It looks nice and it's just extra safety, so that's awesome. Then we got this outside bench here that I might raise up still. Windows been awesome. We did use this one a few times, so it has been tested. Having a nice big window is a huge plus, especially if you have some nice nature to see. The back here, obviously got our chimney. That's all solid. Vents. We got our outside feed. We got the Morrison Stove Company stove, as I mentioned in previous videos. So we have the outside feed here as well as the inside feed, so you can fill it from both sides. But the outside makes it so much better. Less mess inside. Might throw some extra bricks here, but so far this has been working great. The other window behind the chimney. Then back here, for now we just got a simple rack. And got our wood storage. I got all this leftover wood from the build, so perfect. I do have my water going. I remember I ran the water to it as well underground, as well as electricity. So I might set up like a shower here at some point or something as well. And that's it for the back, nothing fancy here. Let's go inside. Give you guys a quick sneak peek through here. It's great, these windows are great actually for taking pictures, because when you're in a hot sauna, it fogs up really quick, so you're not going to be able to do anything. So at nighttime, this is a big plus, for those people that want to take their pictures and stuff. But going inside, oh yeah, we got electrical. We got a switch for the outside here. Outlet here, another outlet with USB ports here. I might do a shelf here, small shelf here as well, just to put your water bottles, whatever. Another outlet here for this setup. Window, keeping this open anytime I'm not using the sauna, so everything's ventilated. And I'm doing the same with the sauna door. I always have it open. But going inside, small room, still got plenty of space to do something. Maybe do some red light therapy here, or just some red bulbs for some infrared action. We'll see. Thank you for Roman for my birthday gift for my sauna bucket here. Got a simple LED light. You can dim this to different modes. Nice and flush. View from the inside. Another outlet on the inside here. You can charge your phone here or whatever, speaker. All the parties, But this is what the back looks like. Oh yeah, I forged out of railroad spikes some head and coat hangers. Coat hangers, yeah. Towel and head hangers for the sauna. So if anybody's interested in these, maybe I'll make some extras, put them up on Etsy. I'll put a link below as well. I also put one outside here. I might do more useful so far. But now, let's go on the sauna itself. Got a light switch here for the inside. And here is the main room. Smells awesome with the cedar. Wish I had enough to do everything, but honestly, it worked out great without it. Here's what the entrance looks like. Very nice little marble doorstep here. The light, also use the Edison bulb in this one. Got the trim everywhere. One of my last additions was the backrest on the benches out of cedar as well. One thing I mentioned at the beginning of the video is when you have a lot of knotted wood, like this pine is knotted, as you see a few uses, and the moisture will come out of them. And the sticky stuff, you don't want this on the walls leaning against, as you see here. So this backrest of kill joint wood, cedar, seems to be doing the job. Doesn't seem to moisten up. But bottom benches, as shown before, they slide in and you can lift them out. I did put a drain as well. This is the one with the tile finish. Or you can flip it, it's just stainless steel. So if you ever want to soak this sauna, we have a drain here. Same with the raised 6 inches tiles. But bench sits on this and you can just lift it and take it out. Same idea with this one here. Morrison Stove Company stove. This thing is a beast. I'll do a follow-up video to show you how hot you can get your sauna with this thing. But this is what I was talking about, the dual feed doors. So inside and outside, you can feed it from both sides. I got the optional glass on both sides as well. I did some salt bricks here. I was gonna put these salt bricks on the window here. It will look pretty cool if it's lit up from outside and just glowing. But for now, I just left them down there for some extra protection because it does get hot around here. Maybe at some point, I'll even build up a wall barrier here. So stay tuned to see that. Vents. Yes, I did vents. You want circulation in your sauna, especially when it's closed and you're not using it. So I made these myself. I will make them available on Etsy if anybody's interested. Just message me. Check for links in my description. One on the bottom, one on top. You want fresh air going in, old air going out. We do have a good quality thermometer, German made. If you want something really accurate, this is the one to go with. The cheaper ones are 10-20 degrees off, most likely. This is what I was talking about, the window. Awesome view here. And that's really it for the sauna, guys. Time to use this thing. Used it a handful of times, it was awesome. Got it to like 230 so far. Probably can go harder, but 230 is plenty. I did make myself a little timer as well. If anybody interested in these, I can make more. 10-minute timer, cedar block, very simple. And yeah, any questions, let me know. More follow-up videos coming. I'm sure I'll come up with lots more ideas what to do here. But this is my sauna. If you followed the build, I appreciate it. If you subscribe and follow the channel, appreciate that as well. If you have tips, ideas, anything I can add, more than open to them. Let me know. And thanks for watching, guys. So since I just did the break-in video, I figured I might as well show you guys it in action. The stove and everything. My phone's gonna overheat pretty quick, but just a quick peek. The fire is going nicely. We got nice, cozy 250 right now, guys. So yeah, it's super hot in here, but I figured since I'm running it, might as well get a session in. So that's it. Appreciate you guys. Please subscribe, follow. Any questions, let me know. Thank you.